Hello guys, welcome to another Zimaleta. Today I have one of my favorite viewers. His name is Joe, and I got many of you guys that I really appreciate, that always come on my channel and view. Joe was nice enough to stop by. He assisted to try to help me out with my little renovation project. As you guys been noticing, I've been really working on my house and stuff like that. And it looks like I actually need the help of a professional. So we got the actual professional here today in my video. He knows his tools and he knows his way around the house. But one thing that Joe knows best is he knows his motorbikes, and he does motocross, racing, stuff like that. So he actually brought 2 bikes down, and that's something we want to share maybe in a couple of days or something, because Joe's going to be here for a little bit. And we're probably going to go riding together. But before we actually get to the riding part, Joe is working on starting a channel of his own. He's going to start a channel. It's probably going to be called Joe Moto. He goes across the whole country and does a motocross type of racing. So he actually found the track that he wants to go to. It's about an hour away. I'm not really sure if we're going to go there, this week or anything like that, but who knows? It might happen. But we're going to work on actually starting his YouTube channel. Him riding a bike and stuff like that. He's got a bunch of videos to share with you guys. And obviously as he travels, he's going to be doing that. But Joe is a multi-skilled type of guy. He knows basically the houses and stuff, and he's got his own real estate investments. So he's a multi-skilled type of guy, but the bike is his life. So I think it's going to be really interesting to see his channel. So guys, once you create his channel, look for the description, in the description below. It's probably going to be a Joe Moto or something, but I'm going to have a link there for you guys to click on, and please go support him and subscribe to his channel and watch some of his videos. So I'm going to help him get started because I have a lot of experience with that, and I think it's going to be helpful. He's going to help me with this, I'm going to help him with that. So anyways guys, what are we doing today? We're actually going to bust out a couple of these walls back here. Well, this whole wall is basically coming out. And we're going to get rid of this window right here, and we're actually going to frame together with Joe basically 4, it's gonna look like 4 windows, but it's technically 2 because both of them are put together, and we're gonna basically center it over here in the middle of that one, and just kind of put it out. And I think it's actually going to be pretty interesting. So for a lot of this, we're going to time lapse it, and every now and then we're going to slow things down and kind of explain what we're doing. So I hope you guys like this video, and appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. So anyways guys, we got started, and it looks like we got a little bit more work to do before we actually could begin installing the windows. So Joe is removing the electrical outlets, doing it the smart way instead of the Zimaleta, just demolishing everything in its way. So basically we decided to just remove all the drywall from this wall and the side wall and all the trim and stuff around the windows. And as you can see, Joe is a lot of help. He's basically doing all the work, and I'm trying to keep up. So we're removing all the insulation, and it's a lot of slower process than you could actually see in a video. So we decided to actually just put out the video of us getting the place ready so that we could prepare ourselves for the proper installation of the window. So in the next video, we're going to show you guys the proper way to actually build a header for the window. And I'm going to say that with a grain of salt because I think we overkilled it. But anyways guys, this is actually a pretty heavy duty type of construction in this addition portion. So in order for us to actually add these 2 windows, we must knock everything out and cut everything new and start basically building the proper way by code. So if there's anybody in here that thinks we're not building by code, put in the comments below, and also give us a like for that. So that my channel is going to be like the way it always has been. So anyways, as you can see, my little son Kevin, he's also vlogging, and so we're trying to decide over here which studs to remove, guys, and they're nailed and they're solid. This is really heavy duty nails. So now we just gotta knock everything out and keep going. We actually tried saving some of these studs, but it's kind of really impossible because they're just nailed and they're so deep. So anyways, guys, as you can see, this is the way you have to do it in Russia, guys. You just basically smash everything to pieces. Just make sure you don't save a single 2x4. And I'm trying to follow the Russian rule, is just destroy everything in your path like the Russian bear. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, just keep watching. I'm going to show you how to use a sledgehammer properly. And you know, as the music says, put your back into it. You know, that's actually what I'm doing. You know, I'm trying to put my back into it and actually demolish the walls. That's better if you just build a... Okay, guys, gotta hit this top studs over here. Look at this, guys. I'm trying to really knock them the Russian style, but they're barely moving. Look at that. Boom. Boom. So, and Joe was over here trying to help me save these studs, and looks like there's no use in actually saving them. All we have to do is just basically knock them out of the park. I know. I'm just gonna cut right inside. I'm gonna drill holes. Yeah, just cut. I'm gonna just drill holes and cut around. That's the way I've been doing it.
And are you snipping these off, or what do you use?
I basically, well, I wasn't snipping off.
If you had a cut off on an angle grinder, you could just go ring, 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 ring.
I have an angle grinder. That's a good idea.
Or you have to push them out.
Probably not going to be able to push all of them out because technically there's two pieces. So first thing you have this and then the other piece. So one of them maybe you can push it out. But who cares? I have an angle grinder, so we can... Most of the stuff we're going to cut out anyway, so we're not going to waste our time.
Yeah. But if you have a situation...
Yeah. But I do have a grinder and I have a cutting wheel as well. But I've been cutting those off yesterday. I didn't cut it off everywhere, but some of the areas I cut it off. Well, at the bottom I cut off because they were sticking out using a regular saw over there. Joe, you might want to get back. I'm going to knock these two. That way I don't accidentally, do anything. I'm just going to knock them both out of place. Because it's okay, you can still use them for like little pieces.
Whoa, 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 it's shaking the house. Oh my goodness, man. What have we got ourselves into? I better get out of here.
Hey guys, I know some of you have been noticing I've been developing a little beer belly, but I cannot really stay away from my Russian beer. Whoever says I don't work out just don't even listen to them, guys. Look at this workout that I'm actually getting, and I still cannot burn enough calories. I just hope that by the end of this project I could really lose this beer gut, and I better stop drinking all this Russian beer. So Mason, just stop sending me more beer, please. I cannot handle it anymore. The stomach is growing out of control. I think I'm actually out of t-shirts to put on now. I need to buy some more. All my sizes are like small. Alright. Looks like we actually need to get some work done. So we're trying to really hurry up and get it done because it's getting really late. So now we're getting all this wood out of the way. Gonna basically throw it out of the window. And how do we take this window out of here? This is a big window here. Let's just try to do it like that. Okay. There you go. Joe took care of the trim. We got everybody helping. Little Jason's over here with the hammer. He's trying to do construction. So there we go. We just gotta clean this wall up, guys, and in the next video we're actually going to be installing the actual window the proper way. We gotta do all the framing like the way the big guys do it, with the king stud, the queen stud, and the pawn stud. I think that's how they call it. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Just let me know in the comments below.